Hi everybody, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here today with a quick video just to show you a little bit about the workspace that I'm working in, my little craft room. So it's hard to show, but I have some really big shelving units I got from Costco. And I put some big bins. I keep all the journals I made, all of my glues. It's a bit of a mess, but it is what it is. And then I have this little sewing cabinet that I just have some more odds and ends in. I have this little roll-away drawer that I keep my napkins and things in for decoupaging. I have this cute little metal three-tiered shelving unit that I keep things that I use a lot. My scissors and my inks, my sewing thread, some glue, clips that I use when crafting and sewing. Then over here I have my laptop and my Sizzix Big Shot, my printer. Sometimes I do watch TV. I'll clear away the stuff that is covering the TV, but I don't really use the TV that often. This is where I do most of my work, here at my table. There are my trays for my different papers that I use, cardstock and line paper and copy paper. A little shelf. I need to get like a 4-tiered shelf that I can put back here so I can keep more of my things at reach. And then my hubby bought me these plastic cubes. He got them from Amazon. That's 2 sets there. And I just tried to organize things with different Dollarama containers. I've labeled most of them, so I know which ones to pull out when I need them. Keep a lot of my materials down there, a lot of my golden books. Here's all my packaging stuff. I also have my closet full of stuff, mostly my crocheted projects that I've done. So yeah, just a quick view of my little craft room. Thank you, and there will be another video today, the part 3, making the envelopes for the collage cards. So I hope to see you then. Bye-bye for now.